Called the Renault Megane E-Tech Electric, the new car is an all-electric 5-door hatchback with crossover styling cues to rival the Volkswagen ID.3 and Nissan Leaf. The all-new Megane E-Tech Electric is the zero-emissions crossover. The vehicle weighs 1,624 kilograms and based on the same CMF EV modular electric platform that has already underpinned the Nissan Ariya. For the vehicle that's only 4.21 meters long, the wheelbase is 2.7 meters, which is great to create a spacious cabin in relation to a compact dimensions. Featured a big 20-inch wheels, the EV is only 1.5 meters tall and comes as standard with the flush door handles at the front for better aerodynamics, while the rear doors get the hidden handles in the quarter class. The Megane E-Tech is the first production Renault model to get the retro-flavored new logo that has already been applied to the conceptual all-electric 5 Super Mini. As for the concept, the new Megane E-Tech is basically a production version of last year's Megane E-Vision concept. There are some small changes like the switch to conventional side mirrors instead of cameras, along with a less flashy LED headlights and taillights, but the two are largely the same. Speaking of the interior of the SUV has also been redesigned from the ground up for the new EV. The all-digital dashboard takes after the Challenger, Symbio, and Morpheus concepts by adopting what Renault calls the open R display shaped like an inverted L. Furthermore, a 12.3-inch screen is put in front of the driver and goes together with a 12-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system on the higher spec models. The generous screen real estate is worthy of the best premium sedan, according to Renault, which goes on to say the large display has a script 1250 by 1562 resolution, making the touch screen crystal clear. The cheaper Megane E-Tech electric versions will have a smaller 9-inch central display with a lower resolution. In addition, the all-electric Renault is green in more ways than one else aside from its zero-emissions drivetrain, and its used fabric upholstery made entirely out of recycled materials. Even some of the lower parts of the dashboard are made from recycled plastic, which has also been used for many components in dash that are not visible. At the end of the Megane E-Tech electric life cycle, 95% of the vehicle will be recycled. Speaking of the powertrain, the power of the car is provided by an electric motor delivering 130 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque in the lesser versions and 218 horsepower and 300 Nm in the more expensive configurations. Equipped with a beefier E-motor, the Renault Megane E-Tech Electric does 0 to 62 miles per hour in a respectable 7.4 seconds before topping out at 100 miles per hour. Moreover, the electric motors get their power from either the 40 or a 60 kWh battery pack. The former has enough energy for WLTP certified range of 186 miles, while the latter will last up to 292 miles. The battery is backed by an 8-year warranty, and in case it reduces quality to level below 70% of its capacity, Renault will replace it for free. In case when the battery is depleted, it can be filled up at up to 22 kWh with AC charging and at 130 kW using DC. You get 186 miles of WLTP range or 124 miles of highway driving in half an hour when using the 130 kWh battery charging station. With a 7.4 kW wallbox covering 249 miles in mixed driving scenario is possible after 8 hours of charging. The Megane E-Tech electric sales will start in February 2022 with deliveries commencing in the second quarter of the next year. Pricing will be reviewed closer to the car's dynamic debut.
I hope you could find something interesting when watching the video. Thanks again for watching.